Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix integration errors with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific integration error you're encountering in Salesforce. Log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Integration and select Integration Settings from the drop-down. Check if the integration you're using is enabled and configured properly. Review any connected apps under Apps in the Setup menu to ensure they are set up correctly. Next, examine the error message details for clues regarding the issue. Look for common issues, such as API version mismatches or authentication problems. Confirm that your API credentials are correct and have not expired. If you're using middleware, ensure that it is properly configured and connected to both Salesforce and the external system. Test the connection between Salesforce and the external system to rule out network issues. If the error persists, review your integration logs for more context on the failure. Check your Salesforce data for any integrity issues, such as missing required fields or invalid values. Ensure your integration user has the appropriate permissions to access the necessary data. Make adjustments to your integration mappings where needed. Consider using the Salesforce debug logs to capture detailed error messages during integration attempts. If you're still unable to resolve the issue, consult the Salesforce help documentation for troubleshooting guidelines. You may also want to reach out to your integration provider for additional support. Once the issue is resolved, run a test to confirm that the integration is functioning as expected. Document the changes made during the troubleshooting process for future reference. Finally, monitor the integration closely for a period of time to ensure stability and reliability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.